A colorful umbrella. Hello, my dear friends. Today we're going to draw and color a beautiful, colorful umbrella together. First, we'll start with black to draw the main lines of the umbrella. Yes, black color. And two big round cute eyes for our umbrella. Amazing! Now we need a handle for our umbrella, don't we? Now we have an umbrella that needs to be colored. What color should we use first? Let's keep thinking. Aha! I think the first part of the umbrella is yellow. Amazing! Yellow. For the second part, we'll use orange. That's right, orange. Take your orange color and color with me. Now, let's go to the third part. What color should we use? That's right, red. Red is a great color. So, we've got yellow, orange, and red. Next part will be pink. Amazing! Pink is a great color. So, we've got yellow, orange, red, and pink. For the last part, we'll use blue. Yes, blue, like the color of the sky. For the curved handle of our umbrella, we'll also use green. I'm using my light green and dark green. I love our umbrella. Yes, we did it. Now we have a beautiful umbrella with round, cute eyes. See you!